In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Claude Code permissions. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives and how to switch it off so Claude Code stops bypassing permission prompts on your desktop. This is helpful if you prefer tighter control over what the app can access, especially when you're working with sensitive files or system actions. Start by opening your Claude Code app on your computer. Give it a moment to load so the full interface appears. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small profile icon there, often your avatar or simple silhouette. Click that icon to open the account and app menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you into the area where all your preferences are organized. Inside Settings, find and click on Claude Code. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a tab or a sidebar item. Choosing it focuses the settings specifically for the Claude Code experience rather than general account options. Within that section, look for Claude Code desktop settings. This is where the controls related to the desktop app live. You might need to scroll a little, but it should be clearly labeled. At the top of the desktop settings list, you'll see an option labeled Allow Bypass Permissions Mode. This setting determines whether Claude Code can proceed with certain actions on your device without asking you each time. When it's enabled, tasks can run more fluidly, but it also means you get fewer prompts. Turning it off restores those prompts so you can approve or deny access as needed. Now check the right side of that option. You'll see a toggle switch. If the toggle is currently on, click it once to turn it off. You should see the switch shift position and its appearance change to indicate it's disabled. From this point forward, Claude Code will stop bypassing permissions and will request your approval when it needs access. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're viewing the Claude Code section inside Settings and that you're in the Desktop Settings area. Interface labels can vary slightly across versions, so a quick scan of the section headers helps. And if the toggle already appears off, you're all set. No further action is needed. That's it. You've successfully turned off Claude Code permissions, giving you clearer, more deliberate control over what runs on your machine. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to double-check your settings.